day, respected judges, teachers, and friends. We are proud to present our Life Science Innovation Project titled Vetiver Natural Gift. We, Kausalya Govinal, Tamira Nagalinga, Vedashri Balakrishnan, Vitavinya Vivekanandan. We will explore how a simple plant growth can solve modern day problems in a natural and a sustainable way.
If you don't know it yet, let me introduce you to a very special plant, vetiver grass. Vetiver is a perennial that is extremely easy to propagate. Its very strong roots can grow up to 3 meters deep, and this is why they're incredibly good at holding the soil and are often used for erosion prevention. Vetiver grass is also great at filtering water, and this is why it's a great addition to your greywater system. Also, its biomass is great for mulch. You can also use vetiver grass on the edge of your agroforestry systems as a perennial herbaceous that provides biomass all year round. Moreover, vetiver grass makes a great essential oil, and it has medicinal properties that support the circulatory and nervous systems. Roots are also traditionally used to weave baskets, screens, and mats.
What is vetiver? Vetiver is a tall grass native to tropical regions. Its roots carry a strong earthy fragrance and have many hidden benefits. It used in traditional medicine, skincare, aromatherapy, and even environmental protection. We are inspired to explore this powerful root and turn into something useful, nature, and innovative. We created 3 simple eco-friendly vetiver-based products, which are soap, candle, and tea. First of all, let's talk about soap. It is handmade with vetiver powder, and also it is gentle for skin and naturally fragrant. Secondly is candle. A calming candle, especially with vetiver scent, is an ideal for relaxation and stress relief. Last but not least is tea. A vetiver tea helps to cool the body, supports digestion, and has a soothing aroma. Vetiver is more than just a smell. It is antibacterial and calming, natural insect repellent, cooling and good for digestion, safe for all ages, biodegradable and eco-friendly. We choose vetiver because it is local, affordable and chemical-free. Let's see how we produce our product. We clean, dry and process vetiver roots to extraction and properties. The product was created using simple home methods and natural ingredients. We tested usability and fragrance with help from teachers, family, and friends.
You know what? After I used this vetiver soap, my skin felt very soft and I love the earthy scent.
Wow, the candle is my favorite. I light it while studying because it helps me feel calm and relaxed.
How we do the tea? First, wash and dry the vetiver root. Then, boil 2 to 3 strands in a heat water for 5 minutes. You can smell the aroma while you mix it. For additional taste, you may add honey too. Strain and serve warm. Hi mom, please try this.
So delicious. What is this?
This is vetiver tea. You won't read it. I gave the tea to my mother. He said it's good for body and helps in digestion.
Our project connects a traditional plant wisdom with modern product needs. We create a natural alternative to store-bought items, helping to reduce chemical use and plastic packaging. It also supports for local farming. In conclusion, the truth of this project we learned how a simple plant like vetiver can solve multiple problems in a safe and eco-friendly way. Our innovation lies in converting traditional knowledge into modern and usable products. We hope this inspires others to look at nature for sustainable solutions.
Vetiver may grow underground, but its impact is huge. It's purified, heals and inspires. Together, let's bring the nature back to our lives. One vetiver product at a time. Thank you.